Majura Nakri. Assalamu alaikum students.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you all?
Fine, miss.
Beta, please keep your cameras on. Abdul Ahad, कैमरा ऑन करें. असद आसिम, बाजिल, मीना तारिक, निमरा फैसल, प्लीज कीप योर कैमरास ऑन. Students, first of all, I want to congratulate you that you have promoted to class 6. Okay, welcome to class 6. I hope all of you will work hard to get the better results. Yes, good, Asad. Please, students, keep your cameras on. Fazil and Nimra, please turn on your camera. Yes, students. I am your English teacher. All the old students already know that I am your English teacher. This is your English literature book. I hope all of you have purchased this book. All of you have already purchased this book?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
students. Students, this is a novel. And this novel is written by Charles Dickens. The name of the novel is David Copperfield. Students, what is novel? Do you know? Students, a novel is a long fictional narrative which describes intimate human experience. Students, novel जो है basically एक कहानी होती है, एक लंबी कहानी जो कि अमूमन फिक्शनल होती है. राइटर या तो किसी की लाइफ पे भी वो लिखी जा सकती है, मतलब कोई ट्रू स्टोरी भी हो सकती है, और समटाइम्स वो राइटर के ऑब्जर्वेशन पर भी डिपेंड करती है. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes.
I told you this novel is written by Charles Dickens. The writer of this novel is Charles Dickens. Students, now first I'll tell you about the writer of the novel, then I'll tell you about the novel. Okay? Beta Basil and Muhammad Ali Malik, please turn on your camera. Camera on कर लें आप लोग. Students, Charles Dickens was a very popular writer who lived in England in the 19th century. He was born in 1812 in Landford and spent his childhood in Kent. He had 7 brothers and sisters, and he was the second child in the family. Yes, Salman, how are you? Asad Khalid, Abdul Sami, Basil.
Fine.
Welcome to class 6. Minna Tariq is new admission. Please, Minna, welcome to Satyan Academy. Students, Charles Dickens बहुत ही मशहूर राइटर थे जो कि इंग्लैंड में रहते थे 19th सेंचुरी में, and he was born in 1812 in Landford. वो 1812 में लैंडफोर्ड में पैदा हुए and spent his childhood in Kent. और उन्होंने अपना बचपन कैंट में गुजारा जो कि एक प्लेस है. He had 7 brothers and sisters and he was the second child in the family. स्टूडेंट्स, उनके 7 बहन भाई थे और वो अपनी फैमिली के सेकंड चाइल्ड थे, यानी दूसरा नंबर था उनके बहन भाइयों में. He wrote 15 novels. Students, he wrote only 15 novels, and David Copperfield is one of his famous novels. और डेविड कॉपरफील्ड इनका जो है एक मशहूर नॉवेल है. Students, Dickens spent most of his life in London. He died of a stroke in 1870 and was buried in Westminster Abbey.
अंडे खा रहा था, उससे भी वो एक दो दफा उल्टी हुई, अब्बा ने मुझे उससे हटवा दिया तो वापस आएगी.
Students, I am going to unmute you. आपके वो माइक जो है वो बंद हो जाएंगे, and when I'll explain after the explanation and reading, I'll turn on your mics. Okay? स्टूडेंट्स, चार्ल्स डिकेंस ने अपनी ज्यादातर लाइफ जो है वो लंदन में गुजारी और 1870 में उनकी डेथ हुई और उनको वेस्टमिंस्टर अबी में दफन किया गया. Students, among the 15 novels of Charles Dickens, David Copperfield was his favorite novel and was based on his own life. Students, Charles Dickens wrote 15 novels and his favorite novel was David Copperfield, and he wrote this novel on his own life. ये उन्होंने अपनी जाती जिंदगी पर ये नॉवेल लिखा था, जो राइटर थे इस नॉवेल के. ओके Students, the story is written in the first person. In this novel, David Copperfield tells about his life from the time as a young boy. Students, इस नॉवेल में डेविड कॉपरफील्ड खुद जो है वो अपनी लाइफ के बारे में बता रहा है. जब आप ये नॉवेल पढ़ेंगे तो नॉवेल में जो स्पीकर होगा जो अपने बारे में बता रहा है वो डेविड कॉपरफील्ड खुद है. ओके और ये नॉवेल डेविड कॉपरफील्ड के बचपन से स्टार्ट होता है. ही मीट्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एज ही ग्रोज अप, स्टडीज एंड वर्क्स. स्टूडेंट्स, वो अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला जब वो स्टूडेंट था, जब उसने काम शुरू किया. Some people are very cruel to him, but fortunately he also meets some very nice people who make his life happier. स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ लोग जो हैं वो अच्छे नहीं थे. हम भी अपनी जिंदगी में अच्छे बुरे हर तरह के लोगों से मिलते हैं. Some people were very cruel, but he also met some nice people who made his life beautiful. Okay, students, this was about the writer of the novel. Now I want to tell you that this novel consists of 12 chapters. Okay, this novel has divided into 12 chapters. We'll start from chapter number 1. Okay, students, please open page number 1, and the name of the chapter is An Unhappy Childhood. You can also see the page number 1 on your screen. Yes, students, this is page number 1. You can see it on your screen. Please raise your hand if you can see page number 1 on your screen. Okay. An Unhappy Childhood. Students, in this chapter, we learned that why David said his life, his childhood unhappy. What was the reason of his unhappiness? What was his unpleasant memories? Because of that, he said his childhood unhappy. Okay, हम डेविड कॉपरफील्ड के बचपन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में, और डेविड कॉपरफील्ड ने अपने बचपन को अनहैप्पी क्यों कहा. We'll read about it. Early memories. Here we'll read about the early memories of David Copperfield. Okay, when he was too young. Okay, let's begin. The first people I can remember in my life are my mother and our servant Peggotty. Students, here David tells that the first people he met in his life was his mother and his servant Peggotty. He met two people, they were his mother and Peggotty. उसने अपने बचपन में जब होश संभाला, जो उसको अपने बचपन की बिल्कुल इब्तिदाई बातें याद थी, उसने अपनी लाइफ में अपने इर्द गिर्द सिर्फ दो लोगों को देखा, एक उसकी मदर और दूसरी उसकी सर्वेंट Peggotty. I did not know my father at all. He had died before I was born. डेविड के फादर की डेथ उसके पैदाइश से पहले हो चुकी थी. His father had died before his birth. Okay. My mother had pretty hair and a lovely shape, but Peggotty had no shape at all. Students, here David tells that his mother was very beautiful and she was so pretty. She had pretty hair and she was so smart, while the Peggotty was not smart at all. ठीक है, उसकी मदर बहुत खूबसूरत थी, उनके बाल बहुत अच्छे थे, वो बहुत स्मार्ट थी, जबकि Peggotty इनके मुकाबले में इतनी जो है वो ब्यूटीफुल नहीं थी. Her arms were very hard and her cheeks were as red as apple. Here David is telling us about the Peggotty. Peggotty's arms were very hard because of the hard work. Okay. And her cheeks were as red as apple. स्टूडेंट Peggotty के हाथ जो हैं वो काम करने की वजह से थोड़े सख्त हो गए थे और उसके गाल जो हैं वो एप्पल की तरह रेड थे. I was surprised the birds did not come and try to eat her. Students, here David was too young, so he was surprised. He thought that Peggotty के चीक्स इतने रेड हैं तो बर्ड्स इनको खा क्यों नहीं लेते, एक एप्पल की तरह रेड है. ये उसकी एक बचपन की सोच थी. ओके. I can still remember our house with the bedroom windows open to let the fresh air in. Students, here David is telling us about his house. He said there were windows in his bedroom to let the fresh air in. यहाँ पर डेविड अपने घर के बारे में बता रहा है कि उसको अपना घर भी याद था और उसके बेडरूम में विंडोज थी जिसमें से जो है वो फ्रेश एयर अंदर आ सकती थी. There was a garden with a high fence round it. Students, they also had a garden in his home. Sorry, David also had a garden in his home with high fence around it. जो फेंस होते हैं आपने देखा होगा वुड के या फिर वो एक खास किस्म के पौधों से भी बनाए जाते हैं, उनके गार्डन के चारों तरफ फेंस थे, यानी जो गार्डन था उसको फेंस खड़ा करके कवर किया गया था. I remember seeing butterflies and fruit trees. Students, he remembered that there was so many fruit trees and butterflies. The fruit on these trees was riper and sweeter than I have known since in any other garden. Students, here David tells that he had he had a garden in his home and there were so many fruit trees and the fruit of that trees were very riper. They were riper and sweeter than the other gardens fruit trees. Okay. यहाँ पर डेविड क्या कह रहा है कि उनके घर में जो है एक गार्डन था जो कि फेंस से उसको कवर किया गया था, चारों तरफ उसके फेंस बाड़ एक लगाई गई थी और उसको ये भी याद है कि उस गार्डन में फ्रूट ट्रीज थे और डेविड का ख्याल था कि उसके गार्डन के जो फ्रूट हैं वो किसी और दूसरे गार्डन के फ्रूट से ज्यादा राइपर है, पक्के हुए और मीठे हैं. ओके. Sometimes on cold evenings we played games in front of the fire in the sitting room. Students, David remembered that sometimes in the cold evenings during the winter season they played they played games in front of the fire in the sitting room. वो आग के सामने बैठकर ठंडी शामों में अपने sitting room में games खेलता था. I remember my mother out of breath, resting in a chair and twisting the ends of her hair round her fingers. Students, here David tells that he also remembered that his mother out of breath means सांस फूलना. Sometimes when she was tired and she was out of breath, she sat in a chair in the sitting room and she for the rest वो अपने sitting room में जो है वो rest के लिए chair पर बैठ जाती थी and she had a habit she twisted the ends of her hair round her fingers वो अपने बालों को अपनी fingers पर round करती थी. I knew how proud she was of being so pretty. David thought that his mother was so proud on her beauty. डेविड का ख्याल था कि डेविड की मदर को जो है वो अपनी ब्यूटी पर बहुत ज्यादा फख्र था, प्राउड फील करती थी वो. Peggotty and I were sitting one night by the fire alone. Students, here David tells that one night Peggotty and he was sitting by the fire and they were alone at home. David's mother was not at home. एक रात जो है वो पेगटी और डेविड जो है बैठे हुए थे अपनी सिटिंग रूम में बैठे हुए थे आग के सामने और वो अकेले थे. डेविड की मदर जो है वो घर पर नहीं थी. I was reading to Peggotty when the bell rang and Peggotty was reading to David and suddenly the bell rang. Peggotty जो है वो डेविड को पढ़ा रही थी और अचानक से बेल बजी. We went to the door. My mother was there. They went to the door to open the door and they said David's mother was there. Looking especially pretty with her was a gentleman. Students, David noted that his mother was looking especially pretty. ठीक है, वो बहुत ज्यादा तैयार थी या बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही थी उस दिन. एंड she came with a gentleman. She didn't come alone. वो अकेली नहीं आई थी, उनके साथ एक आदमी था. Okay, students, open page number 2. This is page number 2. You can see it on your screen. My mother bent down to take me in her arms and kiss me. Students, when David's mother came, she bent down and she took David in her arms and she kissed her. डेविड की मदर जब घर आई उन्होंने नीचे बैठकर डेविड को पकड़ा और उसको जो है वो किस किया. The gentleman put his hand on my head. The man who came with the David's mother, he put his hand on David's head. वो आदमी जो कि डेविड की मदर के साथ आया था उसने अपना हाथ जो है वो डेविड के सर पे रखा, जैसे बड़े बच्चों के सर पे हाथ रखते हैं इस तरीके से. Somehow I didn't like him. David said that किसी वजह से डेविड को वो आदमी पसंद नहीं आया. When he touched my hand, he also touched my mother's hand, which was holding me. I was jealous. David felt jealous because उसकी मदर अपने साथ एक आदमी को लाई थी और डेविड हमेशा से अकेला उनके साथ रहा था और वो उसको इम्पोर्टेंस दे रही थी. तो डेविड को ये सब देखकर थोड़ा जेलस फील हुआ. और जब उस शख्स ने डेविड को टच किया तो उसने उसकी मदर के हैंड को भी टच किया जो कि डेविड को बहुत बुरा लगा. ओके, माय मदर थैंक्ड द जेंटलमैन फॉर ब्रिंगिंग हर होम. स्टूडेंट्स, डेविड्स मदर थैंक्ड टू दैट मैन फॉर ड्रॉपिंग बिकॉज द मैन ड्रॉप्ड हर एट होम. डेविड की मदर ने उस शख्स का शुक्रिया अदा किया क्योंकि उस शख्स ने डेविड की मदर को घर पे ड्रॉप किया था. Then Peggotty shut the door and we all went into the sitting room. Students, after that Peggotty shut the door and they all went into the sitting room. वो सब जो है वो Peggotty ने दरवाजा बंद किया और वो सब यानी Peggotty वो आदमी जो आया था डेविड की मदर और डेविड वो सब सिटिंग रूम में चले गए. Gradually I got used to seeing this gentleman. Gradually means आहिस्ता आहिस्ता डेविड को अक्सर वो आदमी अपने घर में नजर आने लगा. But I never liked him. Here David tells that he didn't like that man. यानी डेविड को वो आदमी पसंद नहीं आया. His name was Mr. Murdstone. उस आदमी का नाम क्या था? Mr. Murdstone. Okay. One evening, about 2 months afterwards, Peggotty and I were together in the sitting room. My mother was out again. Students, after that, one evening, when Peggotty and David were sitting in the sitting room and David's mother was not at home. एक शाम इस वाक्य के जब वो मिस्टर डेविड की मदर मिस्टर मर्डस्टोन के साथ उनके घर आई थी, इस वाक्य के 2 महीने के बाद एक शाम पेगटी और डेविड जो है वो सिटिंग रूम में एक साथ बैठे हुए थे और उस दिन भी डेविड की मदर घर पर नहीं थी. Peggotty said suddenly, Master Davy, would you like to go with me to Yarmouth? Peggotty ने अचानक से कहा, Master Davy, would you like to go with me to Yarmouth? Yarmouth is a place. This is Yarmouth. Yarmouth is a name of the place. She asked to David, would you like to go with me to Yarmouth? I am going to stay for 2 weeks with my brother. David की मदर ने क्या कहा कि तुम मेरे साथ यरमत चलोगे? मैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए अपने भाई के घर स्टे करने के लिए जा रही हूँ. There is the sea and the boats and ships and the fishermen and the beach and my nephew him to play with. Students, then she told him about the यमत कि वहाँ पर सी है, वहाँ पर बोट्स और शिप्स होंगी, फिशरमैन होंगे, बीच है और इसके अलावा वहाँ पर पेगटी का भतीजा है हैम जिसके साथ डेविड खेल सकेगा. ओके. I replied that it would be great fun. Students, here David replied कि बहुत मजा आएगा. The day for our journey to Yarmouth soon arrived. स्टूडेंट्स, वो दिन आ गया जब इन दोनों को अपना सफर स्टार्ट करना था यरमत का. We traveled in a farmer's cart. They were going in a farmer's cart. वो दोनों जो है वो फार्मर्स की कार्ट में जा रहे थे, जो किसानों की एक गाड़ी होती है जो अपनी चीजें ले जाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Leaving in the morning after breakfast. और उन्होंने कब जाना था? सुबह में नाश्ते के बाद. Just as we were going, my mother ran out to the gate. When they were going, David's mother came to the gate. She called out to us to stop so she could kiss me. I cried and my mother cried too. Students, David was going away from his mother, so she was crying and she stopped the cart and she met David again. जब डेविड और पेगटी के साथ जा रहा था, डेविड की मदर दरवाजे पर आई. उन्होंने कार्ट को रोका, यानी जो गाड़ी थी उनकी उस जिसमें वो जा रहे थे उसको रोका. सो शी कुड किस मी, यानी वो उसको किस कर सकें, उसको हक कर सकें. आई क्राइड एंड माय मदर क्राइड टू. तो डेविड और उसकी मदर दोनों रोने लगे बिकॉज डेविड वाज टू यंग एंड ही वाज गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम हिज mother. Okay. We left her standing by the garden gate. Students, डेविड और पेगटी जो है वो रवाना हो गए उसकी मदर से मिलने के बाद एंड हिज मदर वाज स्टैंडिंग बाय द गार्डन गेट. उसकी मदर जो है वो गार्डन गेट के पास खड़ी हुई थी, यानी उनके घर में जो गार्डन था उसके गेट के पास. ओके. Then I saw Mr. Murdstone coming along the road to our house. Then David saw that Mr. Murdstone was coming to his house. He spoke to my mother and seemed to be angry with her for crying. I was looking back round the side of the car. Students, David was looking back and he saw that Mr. Murdstone was showing his anger to his mother because she was crying. डेविड ने देखा कि मिस्टर मर्डस्टोन जो है वो उनके घर आ रहे हैं. उसके बाद उन्होंने डेविड की मदर से कोई बात की और उन पर थोड़ा गुस्सा किया क्योंकि वो रो रही थी. डेविड ये सब जो है वो जब उनकी कार्ट जा रही थी पीछे मुड़कर देख रहा था. आई वंडर्ड व्हाई ही इंटरफेयर्ड एंड पेगटी सीम्ड टू वंडर आल्सो. पेगटी एंड डेविड वर वंडर्ड कि ये हमारी लाइफ में क्यों इंटरफेयर कर रहे हैं, अगर उसकी मदर रो रही हैं तो इससे इस बात का क्या ताल्लुक है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, that's all for today. Inshallah we'll continue this chapter in the next lecture. Okay students, now I'll tell you about your home task. Okay, students, you can see home task on your screen. I'll send it to you on your WhatsApp group. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आप देख लीजिए words meaning. Students, you have to do words meaning and question answer. These are the difficult words of this chapter. I am going to read these words with their meaning. Okay students, some of these words we have read today and some of the words we will read in the next lectures. Okay, first word is twisting. Twisting means folding, pulling violently round or sideways, yani मोड़ना, बल देना. Bend. Bend means bowed, stooped, yani झुका हुआ. Sticking out. Sticking out means projected, protruded, बाहर निकला हुआ या फैला हुआ. Drawn. Drawn means kill or be killed by submersion in water, यानी डूबना. Roaring. Making hoarse and loud sound. Students, गरजना या धारना या जोर से चीखना. Thundering means crashing noise. गरजना. Determined means remain firm in thought or action. Students, तायुन करना या पुरअज़्म. Cross looking means angry looking, यानी गुस्से में देखना. Pretended means made false appearance, यानी दिखावा करना. Dare means bravely deed. हिम्मत, जुर्रत. Led means guided, यानी रहनुमाई करना या सरबराही करना. Seized, take hold firmly, कब्जा करना, पकड़ना. Persuaded means insisted, कायल करना. Okay students, you have to do these words meaning in your copy. You can see question number 1 and 2 on your screen. Whom did David Copperfield remember in his life as first people? Answer is David Copperfield remembered his mother and servant Peggotty as first people. Okay, we read it today. Now, question number 2 is, where was David going to spend vacation? David was going to Yarmouth to spend vacation with his servant Peggotty. David जो है वो कहाँ जा रहा था? Yarmouth अपनी servant Peggotty के साथ. Okay students? Students? Please अपने माइक ऑन कर लीजिए. Yes students, do you want to ask any question?
No.
समझ में आया आपके? Have you understood? This was the start of the novel. ठीक है, we read about the early memories of David's childhood. David के बचपन के भी हमने जो बिल्कुल इब्तिदाई memories थी जो उसे याद था वो हमने पढ़ा. Okay students, you have to do the words meaning and question answer in your English literature copy. Okay, all of you know that. How will you do the work? कैसे काम करेंगे आप लोग?
बस पहले टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे.
Yes, good.
काम करेंगे.
Yes, and index. First,
Yes.
first make index and title page of midterm and the chapter. Title page दो बनेंगे, एक midterm का and chapter का. Then you will do this work. Okay, students?
Yes.
बेटा, please keep your cameras on. सब अपने अपने कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए. हानिया सुहेल, मोहम्मद अली मलिक. Yes, student. We have some time. So, Asad Khalid,
Yes,
can you
miss.
hear me?
Yes, miss.
Please read aloud page number 1. हमारे पास थोड़ा टाइम है तो अभी हम रीडिंग करेंगे. ओके? Yes,
Yes,
Asad
miss.
Khalid, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, miss. I'm ready. The first people I can remember in my life are my mother and our servant. Peggy, I didn't know.
Yes.
I did not know my father at all. He had died before I was born. My mother had a pretty hair and a lovely shape, but Peggy had no shape at all. Her arms were very hard and cheeks were as red as apple. I was surprised the bird did not come to try to eat her. I can still
Okay,
remember.
stop, Asad. Yes, Salman. Salman, please continue. Second paragraph.
I can still remember our house with the bedroom windows
Our house.
open to our
I
house. I can still remember our house with the bedroom windows open to let the fresh air in. There was a garden with high fence round it. I remember seeing butterflies and fruit trees. The fruit on these trees were riper and sweeter than any I have known since in any other garden. Sometimes on cold evening we played games in front of the fire in the sitting room. I remember my mother out of breath resting in chair and twisting the ends of her hair around her fingers. I know how proud she was of being so pretty.
Okay. Yes, Yamna.
I was sitting one night by the fire alone. I was reading to Piggy when the bell rang. We went to the door. My mother was there, looking freshly.
Okay, stop. Stop, beta. Amna Mirza.
My mother bent down to take me in her arms and kiss me. The gentleman put his hand on my head. Somehow I didn't like him. When he touched my hand, he also touched my mother's hand, which was holding me. I was jealous. My mother thanked
Okay, stop. Yes, Abdul Sami.
my mother taking the
Thank,
gentleman.
thanked. My mother thanked the gentleman.
My mother thanked the gentleman for bringing her
Bringing
her home. Then Peggy shut the door. Shut the door, and we all went into the sitting room.
Beta, W-A-N-T, want, and W-E-N-T is went. This is the past tense of go, past form of the go. Okay, went. Yes, gradually. Yes, Sami.
Gradually, I got used to seeing this gentleman, but I never liked him. His name was
Mr.
Mr. Burstone.
Murdstone. Okay.
One evening,
Okay. Yes, Ali Malik. Yes, beta Ali. Ali Malik.
My mother thanked the gentleman for bringing her home. Then shut the door and we all went into the sitting room. Gradually, I got used to seeing this gentleman, but I
Ali Malik. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, प्लीज वेट। अली मलिक, यस अली मलिक, अब बोलिए। आप अपना माइक ऑन कर लीजिए। यस अली मलिक।
My mother thanked the gentleman for bringing her home. Then Peggy shut the door
Beta,
and
Sami had already read this line, these lines. You have to read one evening. You have to read from the
one
one
evening
evening.
about 2 months afterward, Peggy and I ever to
Together,
together in the sitting room. My mother was out again. Peggy said suddenly, Master Davy, would you like to go with me to
Jamat,
Yamath? I am going to stay for 2 weeks with my brother. There is a sea and the boats and ships and the fishermen and the beach and my nephew Ham to play with. I reply that
okay, stop. Students, our class time is about to end. So all of you have understood what you have to do? Read
Yes.
these two pages, page number 1 and 2 thoroughly. अच्छे तरीके से आपने रीडिंग करनी है and you have to do the words meaning and question number 1 and 2 in your English literature copy. But first,
Okay.
take the title page of midterm and chapter number
Index.
1. Okay? And you have to also update the index. Index भी maintain करनी है आपने, दोनों title page भी बनाने हैं midterm का और chapter number 1 का. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, students, inshallah, we'll meet in the next class. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.